Our family loves Percy Jackson. We especially love watching it in our pajamas so we can say we're watching PJ in our PJs. But enough with the bad puns. Let's get to it. This is a tricky song, so we're going to break this up into several lessons. But the first thing that we have to keep in mind is that rhythm will make or break you. So just like the Sea of Monsters, let's take this one at a time. Instead of rhythms, I'm going to give you some words that are rhythmic that will help keep you on the right rhythm. So I want you to say it out loud. Demigod. Demigod. Now I want you to clap alongside that. Demigod. Demigod. Excellent. That is the rhythm that you hear throughout the song. Now, that is just the basis of it. Now we've got to pair that rhythm with some well-timed rests, some not playing. So we are going to do a demigod rest. Demigod rest. So it sounds like this. Demigod rest, demigod rest. Now you try. Let's put your hand on a D major chord, pinky on D. Make it a TP shape. And here we go. Ready, go. Demigod rest, demigod rest. Excellent. Let's do it one more time for confidence sake. Ready, go. Demigod rest, demigod rest. Excellent. Following this, we're going to have two right in a row with no rest. Demigod, demigod rest. Demigod, demigod rest. And then we followed up with a final rhythm followed by 3 rests. They're eighth note rests, or you could say, yeah, we love. So it would sound like this. Demigod, yeah, we love demigod. So that full cycle, rest, rest, no rest, rest, triple rest. That's a lot to take in, so let's give it a go. Still on that D major chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Demigod, rest, demigod, rest, demigod, demigod, rest, demigod, rest, rest, rest. And then the cycle repeats. Now, I also have a bunch of words. This may help you and it may not. So if it's not helping you, please don't use it. But if you're still stuck on the rhythm, maybe this will help you. We can do the rhythm like this. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. So that is the rhythm Once you've gone through that whole set, you change to the next chord. You keep your pinky on D, and then we're going to swap colors on the middle and top fingers. We're going to lower this middle finger down to an F natural and raise this thumb up to our black note, our B flat. And you can bring it in a little bit closer to the center of the keyboard. Now we have this guy, which is an inverted B flat major, in case you're curious. And we're going to repeat that whole rhythm set on B flat. 1, 2, ready, go. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. And then we loop back to D. For a quick minute, let's also practice going back and forth. So from our D to our B flat. Let's do that 4 or 5 times in a row. Middle finger just slides down. Thumb just slides up. All right, let's piece the whole thing together. 1, 2, ready, go. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. And it loops back around. Let me do it another time without the words, just our regular dun-dun-dun or demigod, however you want to think of it. 1, 2, ready, go. Dun-dun-dun. Rest, 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 and then it loops back around. Now, for this, it's very important that you're lifting up your wrist and letting gravity pull you down. Because if you just try to strong arm it with your muscles, you're going to get very tired and injure yourself over time. So just let gravity pull your hand down. Excellent. We just mastered part 1 of Percy Jackson. That rhythm that's gonna drive us crazy, but is what makes this song sound so cool. This next video, we'll dive into the melody.